Hello all, welcome to the overview of food science. Have you ever wondered if low-fat cookie tastes the same as regular ones? How the flavor of a new food product is chosen? Why packed, ready-to-eat cut fruits stay crisp and does not turn brown? Well, come on, let's get into the food science to understand more about it. Food definition. Food. Substance consisting essentially of protein, carbohydrate, fat, and other nutrients used in the body of an organism to sustain growth and vital processes and to furnish energy. The absorption and utilization of food by the body is fundamental to nutrition and is facilitated by digestion. Biological definition of food states a form of nourishing substance that is consumed. Food scientists in history. Preservation through freezing was found by Sir Francis Bacon. Researches on food chemistry was by Justus von Liebig. Fanny Farmer found the Boston Cooking School cookbook. George Washington Carver developed more than 100 products from peanuts, sweet potatoes, and pecans. Flash freezing was first found by Clarence Birdseye. What is food science? The study of producing, processing, preparing, evaluating, and using food. Modern food production to produce maximum products from the minimum amount of raw materials. Food production. Food production produce is a generalized term for many farm produced crops, including fruits and vegetables. Techniques for raising crops and animals for food comes under food production. Food processing. The food processing is any method used to turn fresh foods into food products. This can involve one or a combination of various processes including washing, chopping, pasteurizing, freezing, fermenting, packaging, cooking, and many more. Food preparation. Food scientists are responsible for the cooking directions on the back of our food products. Science is used to determine cooking factors such as time and temperature. These factors are based on the type of food and how different ingredients will react under certain situations. Evaluation. Evaluation of foods involves instrumentation and use of physical and chemical techniques to evaluate food quality. Appearance, texture, and flavor are largely subjective attributes, whereas nutritional and bacterial quality are not. Utilization of food. Food scientists are always searching to find new uses for food items, but now more than ever before. Why? Consumer demand. Consumer demands are growing to new levels and putting a strain on our Earth's resources. Did you know gasoline can also be taken from corn these days? And newspaper inks are also taken from soya, natural source forms. Well, here's some thought for you to ponder on. Looking into food components. Food components are basically classified into two types. Major components of food are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, water. Minor components of food are vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. The carbohydrates, sugars, are the staff of life. On the basis of mass, they are the most abundant class of biomolecules in nature. Carbohydrates, also called as saccharides. Saccharon means sugar or sweetness. They are indispensable for living organisms, serving as skeletal structures in plants and also in insects. They also occur as food reserves in the storage organs of plants and in the liver and muscles of animals. In addition, they are an important source of energy required for the various metabolic activities of the living organisms, the energy being derived as a result of their oxidation. Plants are considerably richer in carbohydrates in comparison to the animals. In fact, animal and plant tissues differ widely in the relative abundance of the various major classes of constituent chemicals, shown in table. Lipids. The lipids are important constituents of the diet because of their high energy value and also because of the fat-soluble vitamins and the essential fatty acids found with the fat of the natural foodstuffs. These are oily or greasy organic substances relatively insoluble in water and considerably soluble in organic solvents like ether, chloroform, and benzene. They are thus hydrophobic in nature. Protein. The term protein is derived from a Greek word proteios, meaning holding the first place. Mulder, Dutch chemist, in 1838 used the term proteins for the high molecular weight nitrogen-rich component. It is the most abundant substance present in animals and plants. It serves as important structural element of the body. They may also be as enzymes, hormones, or oxygen carriers. They're essential to cell structure and function. Elemental composition of proteins. Proteins are predominantly constituted by five major elements in the following proportion. Carbon 50 to 55%, hydrogen 6 to 7.3%, oxygen 19 to 24%, nitrogen 13 to 19%, sulfur 0 to 40%. Proteins are polymers of amino acids. Water. Water is a nutrient in food groups like grains, meats, dairy products, fruits, and vegetables. The major nutrients such as carbohydrate, proteins, water-soluble vitamins, and minerals are hydrophilic. Most of the carbohydrate and proteins in foods are plasticized by water. Vitamins. There are different types of vitamins: water-soluble vitamin and fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K are fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin B and vitamin C are water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A is also called as retinol, C ascorbic acid, D calciferol, E tocopherol, and vitamin K phylloquinone. Vitamin B complexes has the following: B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, B7 biotin, B9 folate, and B12 cobalamin. Minerals. There are seven major minerals that are required in small traces like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, fluoride, and sulfur. With this, we have come to the end of an overview of food science. Thank you.